Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Today I'm gonna read a small story, Town Mouse and Country Mouse. Okay, let's start. Once upon a time there were two mice. Country Mouse lived in the country, Town Mouse lived in the town. One day, Town Mouse went to see Country Mouse. What a funny house, said Town Mouse. What funny food. What a funny bed.
This is bed, this is food.
This is bed, this is food. This is Country Mouse, this is Town Mouse. The two mice went for a walk. Suddenly, they heard a noise. Moo! What's that? Said Town Mouse. It's only a cow, said Country Mouse. But Town Mouse was very frightened. Here's the cow, and here Country Mouse and Town Mouse. Town Mouse so afraid. Then they heard another noise. Zzz. What's that? Said Town Mouse. Here's Town Mouse. It's only a goose, said Country Mouse. But Town Mouse was very frightened. Here's the goose. Here's Town Mouse, and here's Country Mouse, and this is Country Mouse. This is Town Mouse. Then they heard another noise. Woo! What's that? Said Town Mouse. It's the owl, said Country Mouse. Run as fast as you can. I don't like it in the country, said Town Mouse. Come with me back to the town. So off they went. What a funny house, said Country Mouse. What funny food. What a funny bed. The two mice went for a walk. Here's Country Mouse, here's Town Mouse, okay? And this is the food, and everything is food. And this is bed, okay? Suddenly they heard a noise. Bob, Bob. What's that? Said Country Mouse. It's only a car, said Town Mouse. But Country Mouse was very frightened. Here's Town Mouse, here's Country Mouse. Country Mouse is very frightened. Then they heard another noise. Nina! What's that? Said Country Mouse. It's only a fire engine, said Town Mouse. But Country Mouse was very frightened. Here's the fire engine, and here's Country Mouse and Town Mouse. Country Mouse is frightened. Then they heard another noise. Meow! What's that? Said Country Mouse. It's the cat, said Town Mouse. Run as fast as you can. Here's Country Mouse very frightened with the cat. And Country Mouse ran very fast all the way back to the country. Yes, country. Goodbye, friends. If you like the video, subscribe and share. Bye.